It's gonna be easy peasy. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, put this down on my desktop, and then drag it over here so it opens up, and then drop it into the bank or the bin or whatever. I'm gonna minimize, go back here. That's a good picture, right? Let's take it and then paste it down there or up there or whatever. Put it in the bin because it's freakier. Hugging. Copy. Paste. And then put it in there. So, I'll see what I can do. Let's put a ghost in that window. Okay. I got a window. And this lady will be standing in it. I'll cut it off like right here. Okay, go back here. Jump, 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 jump. Ha ha ha. Or whatever. So back to there. And then I'm going to come across. I'm going to do this fairly quickly. I'm going to layer via copy. Then I'm going to grab it. Pull it over here. Now I'm going to make her super small. Yeah. Put her in the window. That's the way it is. Anyway, opacancy. OMG, it's a ghost. Anyway, let's get this old man cut out. Lay a via copy. Pull this in. Oh my goodness, there's the ghost that we just made. And then the opacancy. How about that? OMG, there's another ghost. It's gonna be harder. Oh my goodness. With other stuff, I might be a little bit more like picky on my thing. I'm gonna come over, put it there. Oh my goodness, there's two ghosts peering out at me. Soon to be like 4. I'm gonna put them right over here. And these are just like several simple steps that you can just repeat over and over and over. There's a ghost right there, there's a ghost right there. And then there's 2 ghosts right there. How easy was that? Jeez. I mean, there they are. All in the same view. Da da da. How about I crop it down a little bit so that when I put it on the final thing, it's not so hard to find them. And let's file, save as.